Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. So I have downloaded the app of Roblox over here and I'm opening it. And after you open your Roblox app, make sure to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, at the top right corner, you can see the little search icon. Click on it. And a search bar will appear, and over here just type PLSDONATE. Once you search for Please Donate, the first option, Please Donate by Hamza 3MN, click on that one. Once you click on it, at the bottom you can see the little green button. Click on it. It's going to take you inside the game. And once you're inside the game, you can start playing it. And Please Donate is basically a game where you guys can set yourself up a stand. And after setting yourself up a stand, you guys can ask other people to donate to. As you guys can see, other people have set their stand up over here where we can donate them. Alright? So yeah, that is basically how we guys can play Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. It's that simple. So if you want to create the stand, just go near an empty stand and just hold on stand claim. And the stand will be claimed and all of your object will be available to be sold just like this. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.